Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're exploring Freeagent, a cloud accounting solution tailored for UK-based freelancers, sole traders, and small businesses. In the next few minutes, you will see how to handle invoices, expenses, bank reconciliation, and tax filing, all from one intuitive dashboard. Freeagent offers a single all-in-one plan account. You can bill it monthly or annually, and they give you a discount for the first 6 months, okay? This is going to include unlimited users, projects, client, and included payroll and tax forecasting. The good thing about this is that you can just try it for 30 days, okay, by clicking on this button here, and yeah, it's pretty easy and you don't need a credit card. Free agents landed dashboards, aggregate cash flow, tax timeline, overdue invoices, and profit loss, as you can see here. You can use the menu to access different modules, such as the invoices here, time tracking, expenses and time, banking, projects, and taxes. We're gonna simulate managing a freelance design project from start to finish, okay? Now the first thing that we need to do, of course, is to create our project. So let's go to work and then projects. And let's create our first project. Here, just give the contact, organization, and the project name, or alternatively, you can give like a contact first name and a last name. Now we're gonna basically assign an hourly or flat rate billing, okay, in the time and money section. Just assign your currency, your budget, and so on and so on. So yeah, you can just assign the hours per day and the normal billing rate, which is gonna be how much per hour. And let's click on create a new project after you finish. You can also track hours via this time tracking feature in here. It's actually very easy. You just have to select the project that you want to work on. In my case, it's the one that we just created. And now you have to select a task. Because I don't have any, I'm just going to I'm just going to create a new task, which is going to be design page. And the rate is going to be set to the default rate of the project. I'm going to click on create task. And now you have two different choices. You can either set the time manually, meaning that this entry is then going to be saved in here. For example, you can save, I don't know, 4 hours, for example. Okay, and you can click on add a time slip, and there we have it. Okay, we have an actual, time slip of 4 hours. Or you can also start this timer manually here, and it's going to start a timer from now. So whenever you're ready, you can just stop it. Now let's say that you want to generate an invoice for this task, okay, for this amount of time. What are we going to do is you're just going to come to the Word section, you're going to come to invoices in here, and you're going to click on create your first invoice. I'm just going to select the contact, which in my case is going to be this project in here, okay. Now this is very important, guys. You have to select whether you want to include the unbilled time slips or not, okay. And you can include them in one line or in separate lines, as I usually do, okay. I recommend this option actually. Now just select the invoice reference, the invoice date, and the payment terms as usual, and you can just click on set up online payments to set up your bank account or your Stripe or PayPal. And that's just going to take you here. I recommend that you use either Stripe or PayPal, and yeah, you can just click on get started and sign in to your account. After you finish, just click on create a new invoice, and that's going to be it. You can also select recurring invoices for regular clients that you do work for periodically, okay? So you can create basically the same thing, but with a periodic invoice. You just have to select the frequency, okay? Weekly, 2 weekly, monthly, so on and so on. Also, make sure to go to the banking section and the bank account section and connect your business bank accounts for automatic daily feeds. Freeagent is going to suggest matches. You just click to confirm and reconcile, okay? This fits directly into your cash flow and task projections. You can also run built-in reports like profit and loss, for example, cash flow, receivables. While reporting customization is limited, it's sufficient for small businesses, okay? Just make sure to go to the accounting section and then reports and just select your preferred reporting here, guys. Also make sure that you go to the settings and you upload your company logo. That's going to be shown in your invoices basically, and also click on email templates, and that's going to allow you to personalize your invoices, okay, with different fields such as the reference, total value, the name of the people that you're contacting, and so on, guys. So the pros of Freeagent, in my opinion, is that you have a fully compliant self-assessment and payroll tool. You have simple flat rate pricings and unlimited users using the paid plan, okay? You also have a very simple, intuitive interface, and it's UK based, All right. You also have a mobile app and benefits and tax forecasting. Now, the cons is that it has limited advanced reporting flexibility. The payroll and tax features are UK specific, they're not going to work for any other country. And the support hours are actually very limited, and the invoices don't look very professional, they look kind of, cheap. So I wouldn't recommend necessarily this for invoicing. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.